Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today, this problem is about finding common tangent. Finding common tangent to two circles. So once we read the question, show that the circles x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0 and x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equals to 0 touch each other. Find the point of contact and the equation of common tangent and their point of contact. So here, the given the two circles are touch each other. It means what? They may be touched externally or internally. So they may be touched externally like this or internally. This is the internal view. Okay. So if they are touched externally, we have to find point of contact. This is. If they are touched internally, this is the point of contact. Externally, this is the point of contact. Internally, this is the point of contact. So we ask find the point of contact. Find the point of contact. So and also find the common tangent. Find the common tangent. So this is the common tangent. Or this is the common tangent. Okay. So solution. Let first circle is a S1. Let the first circle is a S1. So this is the first circle is given x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is what? S1. S2 is the second circle. Second circle is this one. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0 is the equation of second circle. So first we find G value, F value, C value for first circle and next G value, F value, C value for second circle. So first I am finding a first circle. So this is the first circle. For this, what is a 2gx? 2gx is what? This is minus 6x. 2gx is a minus 6x. Next, 2fy is minus 2y. And the c is equals to 1. C is equals to 1. Both the sides x cancel. And 2 ones are 2 3s are 6. So g is what? Minus 3. Where both sides y cancel. 2 ones are 2. So f is equals to minus 1 and then c is equals to 1. Now the first circle center. First circle center, it is a C1 is equals to minus g comma minus f. The form of center, in which form the center is there? Minus g comma minus f. So minus into minus is a plus 3 and then minus into minus is a plus 1. 3 comma 1 is the first center C1. Therefore C1 is equals to 3 comma 1. Next, we find the radius is R1. R1 radius formula is a under root of g square plus f square minus c. So R1 is equals to under root of G value is minus 3 whole square plus F value is a minus 1 whole square minus C value is what? 1. C value is a 1 is equals to under root of minus 3 whole square is 9 plus minus 1 whole square is 1 minus 1 is equals to the root of plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel, root 9 is equals to 3. R1 is equals to 3. Here we get C1. C1 is a 3 comma 1 and R1 is a 3. So same like this we have to find out C2 and the R2 for second circle. See, second circle, what is the second circle? S2 is equals to x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equals to 0. So the circle is compared with the general equation of the circle. Then we have to compare this 2gx with this 2x. And 2fy is compared with minus 8y. C is equals to 13. Is 13. Both the sides x cancel. Both sides x cancel. 2 ones are and 2 ones are. G is equals to 1. Here y cancel. 2 ones are and 2 4s are 8. F is equals to minus 4 and C is equals to 13. So C2 is equals to minus G comma minus F and is equals to minus G. It is what? Minus 1. Minus F. So minus into minus plus 4. So therefore C2 is equals to minus 1 comma 4. This is the center of the second circle. Center of the second circle. Next to find this radius of the second circle. What is the radius formula? G square plus F square minus. This is what? Radius formula. And next R2 is equals to substitute the G value, F value, and C value. G is 1. So 1 square plus F is minus 4 whole square and minus C is 13. This is equals to under root of 1 square is a 1 plus minus 4 whole square is a 16 minus 13. This is equals to 1 plus 16 is 17. 17 minus 13. 17 minus 13 is a 4. 4 value is a 2. This is the R2. So R2 value, radius of the second circle is 2. Next we find C1, C2. Distance between C1 and C2. So what is the C1? C1 is equals to 3 comma 1. C2 is equals to minus 1 comma 4. R1 is equals to 3. R2 is equals to 2. Now we find distance between C1 and C2. Distance between C1 and C2. So what is C1? C1 is a 3 comma 1. C2 is minus 1 comma 4. Okay. Let this is x1 and y1 and it is a x2 y2. Write the distance formula between C1 C2 and root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute x1, x2 values and y1, y2 values. C1, C2 is equals to under root of x2 is minus 1 and the formula minus x1 is what? 3 whole square plus this plus y2 is 4 and this formula minus y1 is what? 1 whole square is equals to under root of minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 1 is 3 whole square. So is equals to under root of minus 4 whole square is a 16 plus 3 square is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 value is 5. C1, C2 is equals to 5. And next find R1 plus R2. R1 is 3, R2 is 2 is equals to 5. Therefore, C1, C2 is equals to R1 plus R2. So it means the two circles are touch each other. The two circles are touch each other externally is like this. So it is a first circle, it is a second circle. This is what C1, this is the R1, this is C2 and it is the R2. So this is a point of contact. So what is the C1? C1 is a 3, 1. C2 is minus 1, 4. R1 is 3. R2 is 2. This is what? Point of contact. So first we find the point of contact. So for this, use the section formula. That is that x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma y is equals to same m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is a formula for externally. If the circles are touch each other internally, if the circles are like this, if the circles touch internally, then we use minus formula. So x is equals to, see it is a x1 y1, x2 y2, and it is m1 and m2. So m1 is a 3 into x2 is minus 1 plus m2 is a 2 into x1 is a 3 by m1 plus m2, 3 plus 2. Y is equals to m1, this is m1 is 3 into y2 is 4 and plus m2 is 2 into y1 is a 1 by m1 plus m2, x is equals to 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3 plus 2 3 is a 6 by 3 plus 2 is 5, comma y is equals to 3 4 is a 12 plus 2 1 is a 2 by 3 plus 2 is 5. X is equals to minus 3 plus 6 is 3 by 5, and y is equals to 12 plus 2 is a 14 by 5. Therefore, point of contact is 3 by 5 comma 14 by 5. So this point of contact is a 3 by 5 comma 14 by 5. So this point of contact is finished. Next we have to find the common tangent. So what is the common tangent? See, this is the common tangent. No common tangent. Only one common tangent. So common tangent formula is common tangent S1 minus S2 is equals to 0. The formula for common tangent is S1 minus S2 is equals to 0. What is the S1? S1 is the first circle. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 plus 1 and minus S2. S2 is a second circle here. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equals to 3y. Next, open the brackets. Write x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1. Open this bracket. Minus into plus minus x square minus into plus minus y square minus into plus minus 2x minus into minus plus 8y minus into plus minus 13 is equals to 0. So this plus x square minus x square cancel, plus y square minus y square cancel. Now simplify the x terms. This is what? Minus 6x minus 2x. This is minus 8x. Next, simplify the y terms. Minus 2y plus 8y is plus 6y. And simplify the constants. Plus 1 and it is a minus 13. This minus 12 is equals to 0. So here we take common 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 4s are 8x. Minus into minus is a plus. 2 3s are 6y. And a minus into plus minus. 2 6 are 12 is equals to 0. 4x minus 3y plus 6 is equals to 0 by this minus 2 transferred to right side by minus. So 4x minus 3y plus 6 is equals to 0 by anything is a 0. This is the common tangent. This is what common tangent. So finally right. Therefore the point of contact, the point of contact is equals to this one 3 by 5 comma 14 by 5 and common tangent is equals to, this is the common tangent. What is that? 4x minus 3y plus 6 is equals to 0.